guys, Eastman and Train Spotter here. I'm out at Loughborough station today. Very high speed. I just got a high speed HST, just come through it, 125 miles an hour. That's the station, Loughborough. Just had a HST, like I say, just come through it, 125 miles an hour, flat out, nice and quick. That way it's going Nottingham, Sheffield. That way Leicester, Market Loughborough, Bedford, and down to London, St Pancras. Train just coming in at the moment. That's going to Leicester. Look me up on Facebook, subscribe me on YouTube. I'm going to go in case if there's another high speed train. I should imagine next going to be on platform 2. Or are we on platform 2? Yeah, on platform 2. Usually when you get one come through, you go one way, and one usually goes the other way. I love it up here. For the inner cities, it's 125 miles an hour. That's what it can do flat out. Nice and quick. You'll see on my videos and up on YouTube, they fly through here. The meridians are 97 miles an hour. That's still quick. I'm going to go now in case if there's any more high-speed trains coming, and let me up on Facebook, subscribe me on YouTube, and hope you're all okay. Thought I'd come to Loughborough today. I haven't been Loughborough for a while. Thought I'd come out, and it's not a bad day. It's been drizzling on the way up. And I hope you're okay, my lovely girlfriend Zoe. Speak to you all soon. I'm going to go now in case there's any more high-speed trains.
Does not stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 1.